Looking for a home in North Scottsdale? Well, I'm Blair Ballin with the Ballin Real Estate Team, and today I want to take you on a tour of this awesome new home in North Scottsdale. So really nice low maintenance landscaping out front and awesome curb appeal. Let's come inside here. So this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, again in North Scottsdale. Super desirable location, close to where the Barrett Jackson Auto Show is, golf tournament, all of the stuff that North Scottsdale has to offer. So kind of a bonus room here up front. So again, this home is new, so the flooring's pretty awesome. Really amazing kitchen that we're gonna see here in just a little bit. So really cool stove and oven, microwave, built-in fridge, and then the stove, so 6-burner. And it looks like it is a Monogram, so GE, so really nice there. And then there's your dishwasher and sink. Pantry is just around the corner there. So really nice floor plan, big ceilings. This is the master, so very good sized master bedroom. Feels very open and blank right now because nothing's in here, but just a really nice floor plan again in North Scottsdale. 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,300 square feet. Priced currently at about $1,150,000. There's the big walk-in shower, double sinks, and big closet. Lots of room. They've utilized every inch of it, which is awesome. And now let's go outside. So there is room to put in a pool, but right now there is no pool. Has a free-range barbecue out here, covered patio. They've done a great job with the landscaping. Turf, there's the barbecue behind me, covered patio, super quiet. This is located off of Scottsdale and around Pinnacle Peak roads. So North Scottsdale, again, as I mentioned a couple times, really nice backyard and landscaping. You could put in a pool. Has the view fence right behind me here. So wash behind here for extra privacy. New community, it's gated. Great location, really great floor plan. Because it's new, feels, or newer, feels like it's not been lived in, which I don't believe it has. So for questions about this home in North Scottsdale or any others, reach out to me, Blair Ballin, at the Ballin Real Estate Team, 480-233-6433. Visit me on my websites at blairballin.com or livingnorthphoenix.com for any questions about homes in North Scottsdale, North Phoenix, you name it, we can help you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.